All right, everybody, welcome back to Bummer's Instant Pot. Don't have the pot here yet, but we do have our chicken. Got some chicken thighs. We're gonna make some nice barbecue chicken tonight. Super simple, easy recipe. You only need a few ingredients. Whatever rubs you want to put on it. Today I'm gonna do some Operation Barbecue Relief Texas SPG Rub and Touch Cherry Barbecue Rub. You're gonna need 1 cup of chicken broth and a barbecue sauce of your choice. So let's go ahead and get these set to the side for right now. Let's go ahead and got these turned up bottom side on right now. We'll get the bottom side all rubbed down, spiced up, whatever you want to call it. There we go. Put as little or as much on it as you want. Excuse me. Little horsey's still getting over COVID. I'll put a little bit of this Touch Cherry Rub on here too. There we go. Good. Now let's get these all flipped over. All right. Let's get some more of this SPG Rub on here. Get it covered up as good as you can. Put more on, a little on, depending on your taste. These are still a little frozen, so I'm gonna have to cook them just a little bit longer tonight. Usually, if they were fully de-thawed, I'd go about 13 minutes. I'm probably gonna go about 16, 17 minutes on these tonight. But, alrighty, we got the rub all over them good there. Make sure you get them good. We're gonna let them rest here for a few minutes. Bring the Instant Pot over, get ready to start cooking these. Alrighty, we got the Instant Pot now. First thing we're gonna do is we're gonna take this cup of chicken broth, pour that in the bottom. Then we'll get our trivet, set our trivet down in the bottom. Then let's start putting these chicken breasts down in here the best we can. Start with some of the bigger ones. See if we can get these all in one layer here without having to stack them on top of each other. Hopefully they'll all fit on here. Close to it, but not quite. That's all right if we have to put a few over. But while those are there, we're gonna go ahead and take some barbecue sauce. Pour a little barbecue sauce on top of these. Have some on them while they're cooking. We'll put some more on them after we're done. Then we'll take the remaining ones, put those back on the top there. 3 of them. Have a little more barbecue sauce. Alrighty, let's get this thing shut up and turned on. Okay, ready to get the top on. Make sure it's set to the sealing position. Get this set on here. Get it on this time. There we go. Like I said, since these are frozen, we're going to go ahead and put it on pressure cook high. And I'm going to do 18 minutes. We'll get it started. After the 18 minutes, we'll go ahead and let it do a self-release, natural release for about 10-15 minutes. Pull them out, get them barbecued up a little bit more, let them get cooled down, and see how good dinner is. All right, welcome back everybody. Been on the natural release, it's up to 17 minutes now, so it's finished its 18-minute pressure cook. Go ahead and get the pressure released off of here. Remaining, shouldn't be too much left. All right, pins drop. Let's go ahead and get her turned off. Let's get this top off of here. Chicken's looking good. Do a quick temp probe on them, make sure they are up to temp. Oh yeah, well over 165. Let's get these pulled out of here. Almost falling apart. Still got a good bit of barbecue on them. Got the rub on them good still. Alrighty, there we go. Let's get this Instant Pot out of the way real quick. All right, let's finish these off. Add a little more barbecue sauce to them while they're still cooling down. It's always gives it some extra flavor. Who doesn't love some barbecue? Yeah, this is, once again, great meal to cook. Super fast and easy. Actually, you could probably make some pulled chicken sandwiches out of these. These are so tender. There we go. I'll let these sit here and rest for a little while. Be back, get our plates ready, give them a taste test. All right, everybody, these have been resting for a little while. See, like I said, it's just falling apart. Looking delicious. Let's give this a taste test, see how good it is. Super delicious, super tender. Like I said, perfect recipe, quick and easy, ready to go. If you can, appreciate the recent subscribers to the channel. If you're new to the channel, go down and click the subscribe button if you can. Helps out the channel, helps us grow, get more viewers. And we'll see you guys next time.